relations between the geometrical shapes. As we studied before, the parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which each two opposite sides are equal in length and parallel. AD is equal to BC and parallel with him. AB equals DC and parallel with it. That each two opposite angles are equal in measure. The measure of angle A equals measure of angle C. Measure of angle D equals measure of angle B. Each two consecutive angles, the sum of them are 180 degrees. Measure of angle A plus measure of angle B equals 180 degrees. Measure of angle B plus measure of angle C equals 180 degrees. Measure of angle C plus measure of angle D equals 180 degrees. Measure of angle D plus measure of angle A equals 180 degrees. The two diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. Bisect means the first diagonal divide the second diagonal into two equal parts, and the second diagonal divides the first diagonal into two equal parts. The opposite figure is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D. As we said before, A, B equals D, C and parallel. C, B equals D, A and parallel. Measure of angle A equals measure of angle C. Measure of angle B equals measure of angle D. The sum of any two consecutive angles equals 180 degrees. Measure of angle A plus measure of angle B equals 180 degrees. Measure of angle B plus measure of angle C equals 180 degrees, and so on. Some special cases of a parallelogram. Parallelogram may be a rectangle, a rhombus, or a square. Rectangle is a parallelogram with a right angle. If one of a parallelogram is right angle, so it's a rectangle. It has the same properties of the parallelogram. In addition to, all its angles are right angles. The two diagonals are equal in length. Rhombus is a parallelogram in which two adjacent sides are equal in length. Rhombus is a parallelogram in which two adjacent sides are equal in length. Two adjacent sides as AB and BC, BC and CD, CD and DA, and so on. It has the same properties of the parallelogram. In addition, the two diagonals are perpendicular. The two diagonals of the parallelogram of the rhombus are perpendicular. The sides of the rhombus are all equal in length. The four sides of the rhombus are equal in length. So, a rhombus is a parallelogram in which two adjacent sides are equal in length, in addition to its perpendicular diagonal and all its sides, the equality of all its sides. A square is a rectangle in which two adjacent sides are equal in length, and it's also a rhombus with a right angle. It has the same properties of the parallelogram. In addition to, the